Hello, and welcome to Chucks and Chapstick. Whether it's your first time or you're returning, I ask that you do three things. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. And if you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing. Tap on the notification bell so that you never miss another Chucks and Chapstick upload. And of course, I love to hear from you. Please leave a comment below. It's been a while, y'all. Oh my goodness, it has been a while. It's been almost 3 months since the last time that I uploaded. So if you don't remember, the last time that I uploaded was about 2 days before the world just completely erupted into chaos, basically. I just didn't have it in me to come on and talk about clothes and shoes and makeup and things when the world around me was experiencing such brokenness. But I have continued to support my fellow YouTubers. Even if I didn't always leave a comment, I've been watching and just getting my life watching you guys this video. But a friend of mine actually contacted me last week and she was like, oh, I'm sketching up on your videos. Congratulations on your video that made over 1,000 views. And I was like, 1,000 views? I had no idea. I had not been on my own channel in 3 months. So I didn't even realize that one of my videos had made it well over 1,500 views, or 1.5, midway between 1,000 and 2,000 views. And so I said, you know what? Maybe that's a sign that it's time to get back in the saddle. So here I am. Life update number 1. So I actually have a second job. That's another reason why it is that I have been gone for a while, because I am so busy. I shop for people's groceries and I deliver their groceries. That all came about because I was working from home. My desk is in my bedroom. So not only was I sleeping in my bedroom, but I was working 8 to 10 hours a day in my bedroom. And my bedroom is typically where I lounge. So I was in my bedroom for about 22 to 23 hours a day, and I was going bananas. So my aunt told me that she has started this kind of gig job. She went shopping for people's groceries and then delivered the groceries to them. And I said, oh, that sounds like something I could do to get out the house and feel useful and serve the public. And so last week of March-ish, since then I have been shopping for people's groceries and delivering for them. What I can tell you is there's nothing like spending other people's money. I'm here to tell you, it's a good feeling. Anyway, it has been quite a romp. It has been fun. It's been an experience. Anything that comes with public service, serving the public, dealing with the public on a regular basis, will make you question, whether you're as saved as you believe that you were. But it's been fun and I enjoyed it, and it's extra income. Second thing is, if you notice behind me, the background looks quite a bit different. That is because I am now in the spare bedroom. It used to be my daughter's bedroom. She moved into a different bedroom, painted, decorated, all that other stuff. So I'm gonna start filming my videos in here instead of in my bedroom. It's not very decorated at this point. I'm not much of a decorator. So hopefully in the next year or so, I'll make it into something worth showing and sharing with the public. But for now, it's just a bed with a comforter and a pillow in a room with a window. I don't know what else to say. Another reason why it has probably been a while is that, yeah, quarantine 15 is real, y'all. Like, seriously, I may not have gained 15 pounds, but I've gained anywhere between about 7 to 10. And as much as I would like to be like, oh, it doesn't matter, and I feel fantastic about myself regardless, I'm human. I know I picked up weight. I'm not happy about it. So I'm self-conscious about it. I'm just going to be honest. But at some point I had to say, hey, either you going to take it off or you going to mope around and be sad about it, or you're going to deal with it and make the best of it while you can make the best of it. And I have to kind of really remind myself on a regular basis, like, life as we know it has changed tremendously for so many people. So our bodies are sensitive to our emotional ups and downs and the stressors in life. So don't be so hard on yourself. You are not alone. And I'm telling you that just as much as I'm telling myself that. So work with what you got, boo-boo. I'm channeling my inner Tim Gunn. Make it work. That's what Tim Gunn says. But I tell my co-workers, I said, when we eventually show back up to work and you see me come through, a little bit heavier than I was before, this is what I'm gonna say to you. If you see me walking down the street and it's so very clear that all I did was eat, walk on by. Don't say nothing to me. I see you gain weight too. Walk on by. I'm teasing. You guys have heard me talk about the brand Marstay before. I love this brand. Just recently, maybe within about the last month, they have decided to put all of their current stock on final sale, deep discount, and they will not be releasing a new collection. So all signs point to they are shutting down operation. So I decided to go ahead and pick up the last few items from their collection that I knew I wanted but hadn't picked up yet. If you remember my Marstay video, you'll remember this cardigan, right? Okay, beautiful long line cardigan. I'll also post, it'll be up here somewhere in the cards. I'll post the original video. But I absolutely love this cardigan. I loved it so much, I bought it again, but I don't need to. So as a welcome back, Chucks and Chapstick, and welcome back you guys to watching Chucks and Chapstick, I have decided that I'm going to give away this cardigan to someone. Now, it is unopened. It is a size large, which in Marstay will fit anyone from 16 to 24. What we're gonna do is we're gonna have a giveaway. I'm going to link the information in the description box below. I'll also put it down on the bottom of this video, but I'll go ahead and talk about it now. So if you watch my channel, you know I do a few shoe hauls, but for the most part, it is Stitch Fix, Trunk Club, Marstay, Universal Standard, and Eloquy, maybe ASOS thrown in here and there. But I really just talk about the same 7 or 8 services, brands over and over again, and sometimes they can get stale. So what I would like for you to do in order to enter to win this cardigan is to leave a comment below and let me know a brand that you would be interested in seeing me try. Now, I'm a size 16, 18, 20, so Abercrombie and Fitch is out. I can't fit any, unless you just want me to try on their headbands. I'm sure I can fit their headbands and their earrings and things. But clothes wise, it just has to be a place that caters to, 1X, 2X, or 16, 18, 18, 20, because this is the size I am. But nothing's off limits. Expensive, fast fashion, mid-range. Just leave a comment below. And what I will do is I will randomly pick. I will get in contact with you to send you this cardigan. And then within a few weeks, I will go ahead and do a haul for whatever company or clothing store or whatever it is that you suggested. So again, I'm going to leave the details in the description box. I also have them running down below. But that's what we will do. Now, the last thing that I would like to say, what is coming up for Chucks and Chapstick? I'm not going anywhere. I took a hiatus, I took a break, but I am not going anywhere. And I just want to let you know that there are some cool things coming down the pipeline for Chucks and Chapstick. One of those things is a collaboration. I don't even want to spoil the surprise, but it's coming soon, I promise. Anyway, so that is it for me. Thank you for hanging in here this long. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for your support. Thank you for all of those who reached out and say, hey, where you been? Thank you for just thank you. Anyway, you know the use. If you have any comment suggestions or you just want to say hello, you know to do it below. But otherwise, I will see you next time, except for, hey, Tess, Eva told me to tell you hello. Hello. See you next time. Bye.